Cardano value equivalent to $0.2838 a coin. The present reach: $0.2808, $0.2875. The earlier day close: $0.2872. The change was 0.0034, 1.18%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset, cost at 0.25. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for October 16.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 37 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 29 cents, change for November 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 31 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for December 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 29 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 24 cents, change for January 17.2%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.24. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 26 cents, change for February 8.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 26 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents, change for spring 15.4%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $0.22. Most extreme cost 22 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 21 cents, change for April 4.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.21. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 21 cents, change for May 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 26 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 24 cents, change for June 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.24. Greatest cost 24 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 22 cents, change for July 8.3%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.22. Most extreme cost 28 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents, change for August 18.2%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 26 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents, change for September 15.4%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $0.22. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 18 cents, change for October 18.2%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents, change for December 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents, change for January 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for February 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. To start with cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6 cents, change for spring 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents, change for April 16.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents, change for June 12.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents, change for July 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2026. Before all else cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9 cents, change for August 12.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. Initially cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 10 cents, change for September 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for October 20.0%.